Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fit an image perfectly into a frame in Canva using a phone. Let's get started. First, open the Canva app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap on Search Template and search Frames. Then tap the frame you like. It will appear on your design, and then tap Photos to select an image from Canva or your iPhone. Then tap Done at the top right corner. It will automatically snap into place. You can adjust how the image fits inside the frame. Double tap the frame. From here you can zoom or drag to reposition the image until it looks just right. You can also resize the frame itself by dragging the corner. The image will stay fitted inside the frame, keeping your design clean and professional. If you want a different image, tap replace and select a new one. You can also add filters, text or effects to make your frame image even better. And that's all. That's how to fit an image to a frame in Canva on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.